Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best brake caliper kits is probably one of the most important yet often overlooked parts of your car's braking system. Ensuring optimal braking performance and safety is paramount, and choosing the right rebuild kit can significantly impact your vehicle's stopping power and longevity. This video will guide you through the essential factors to consider when selecting a brake caliper rebuild kit, helping you make an informed decision to maintain your vehicle's braking system in top condition. Number 5. ACDelco Gold 18K 1971X Kit. It provides optimal protection for your vehicle's braking system. This ensures a long service life and enhances safety on the road. This kit includes all the necessary hardware for quick and easy installation. No need for extra parts or trips to the store. It's a premium aftermarket replacement part, formerly known as an ACDelco professional part. You can trust its quality and reliability. It's manufactured to meet precise specifications for fit, form, and function. It will work seamlessly with most makes and models. It performs to the same standards as original equipment manufacturer parts. Experience the same level of quality and performance. It's thoroughly engineered to meet or exceed your expectations. You'll be confident in its performance and durability. What we like. This kit meets original equipment manufacturer standards, ensuring a perfect fit for your General Motors vehicle. It includes all the necessary hardware for quick and easy installation. If you own a GM vehicle and value a perfect fit and straightforward installation, this is the kit for you. What people say. OEM quality for Brembo calipers, look good, fit good and are very reasonably priced. Perfect replacements for degraded factory clips. Perfect fit for my Cadillac ATS Brembo brakes, swapped onto my Subaru. Number 4. Dorman D670018 Repair Kit. This disc brake caliper repair kit is designed to match the original components. It's the perfect solution to repair your caliper and restore your disc brakes to their proper operation. It's a reliable replacement for your old, damaged components. This kit ensures your brakes are working safely and effectively. Made from high-quality components, it's built to last. Expect reliable performance and a long service life from this kit. Backed by a team of experts and over a century of automotive experience, you can trust in its quality. It's a product you can depend on. To ensure it fits your vehicle perfectly, simply enter your make, model, and trim level into the garage tool. We'll help you find the right part for your car. This kit is designed for straightforward installation. Get your brakes back in top shape quickly and easily. What we like. It's designed as a direct replacement for your worn-out parts, ensuring a perfect fit and reliable performance. The kit is made from high-quality components for long-lasting durability. If you need a dependable, direct-fit replacement that will last, this is the option for you. What people say. Installs easy. Working as expected. 90% cheaper than a new caliper and about the same time to repair as to replace. The seals fit well and the repair was good, no leaks. This was exactly what I expected. It worked like a charm. Number 3. ACDelco Gold 18K 265X Kit. It provides optimal protection for your vehicle's braking system. This ensures a long service life and enhances safety on the road. This kit includes all the necessary hardware for a quick and straightforward installation. No need for extra parts or trips to the store. It's a premium aftermarket replacement part, meeting or exceeding the standards set by original equipment manufacturers. You can trust its quality and performance. It's designed to fit General Motors vehicles and many other makes and models. Check compatibility before purchasing to ensure a perfect fit. It's thoroughly engineered to meet or exceed your expectations for fit, form, and function. Experience reliable performance and peace of mind. It performs to the standards required by OE manufacturers. This ensures optimal protection, service life, and safety for your vehicle. What we like. This kit is manufactured to meet original equipment manufacturer standards, providing optimal protection and service life. All the necessary hardware is included for a hassle-free installation. If you prioritize a perfect fit and easy installation for your General Motors vehicle, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Worked as expected to rebuild hardware on my classic Camaro calipers. Nice hardware kit, everything fit onto my 1969 Judge just like the OEM parts one removed. Kit contains every single hardware component for both front calipers. Easy to replace the old corroded pieces when replacing brake pads. Pads are not part of this kit. Number 2. Dorman D670178 Repair Kit. This disc brake caliper repair kit is designed to match your vehicle's original components. It's the perfect solution to get your brakes working properly again. It's a reliable replacement for those old, worn-out parts. This kit will restore your disc brakes to their optimal performance. Made with high-quality components, it's built to last. Enjoy reliable performance and a long service life. Backed by a team of experts and over a century of automotive experience, you can trust its quality. It's a smart choice for your vehicle's brake system. Double-check compatibility using our online tool. Simply enter your vehicle's details to ensure a perfect fit for your car. This kit is designed for straightforward installation. Get your brakes back in top condition quickly and easily. What we like. This kit is a direct replacement for your original components, restoring your disc brakes to proper operation. It's built to last with quality components for reliable performance. If you need a reliable, direct fit replacement for your rear calipers, this kit is a great option. What people say. Fits perfectly. Exactly as I expected. Number 1. ACDelco 18K2102X Brake Kit. It provides optimal protection for your vehicle's braking system. This ensures a longer service life and enhances safety on the road. This kit includes all the necessary hardware for a smooth and easy installation. No need for extra parts or trips to the store. It's manufactured to meet the exact standards of original equipment manufacturers. You can trust its quality and reliability. This is a premium aftermarket replacement, offering the same great quality as the original part, often at a more affordable price. It's a smart choice for vehicle maintenance. It's meticulously engineered to perfectly match the fit, form, and function of your vehicle's braking system. Expect a perfect and seamless integration. It's thoroughly engineered to meet or even exceed your expectations. Experience superior performance and lasting quality. What we like. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for a complete repair, meeting original equipment manufacturer standards. It's built to last, offering optimal protection and a long service life. If you need a complete kit with all the necessary components for a lasting repair, this is the one for you. What people say. Fits my car exactly, good quality and easy to install, plus they look great. Fantastic rear brake accessory kit for my 2012 Honda Accord V6 sedan. Replaced it all. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.